All right, here in Connecticut, we're going to be dealing with the remnants of Florence later tonight and tomorrow, and there are some concerns that we have here as well. All right, let's check out early warning pinpoint Doppler right now. That patch of rain you see from New Haven over toward Greenwich, that is largely falling aloft, although there's probably a couple of sprinkles in and around the Waterbury area right now. So the concerns for late tonight and tomorrow, there's a very real risk of flash flooding. Not only are we talking about flooding on small streams and tributaries, but also street flooding, poor drainage. There could be some deep water where those heavy downpours occur, which will cause hazardous driving conditions in addition to poor visibility. And because we had the heavy rain last week, you know, the ground has some water in it, so there could be some basement flooding as well. So flash flooding, a real concern for tomorrow to a lesser degree, but still a concern, some lightning. And even though the risk is low for damaging winds in a tornado, we can't completely rule it out. All right, let's check out what's going on now. Hartford, a mostly cloudy sky after a rather sunny start to the day, and there's our ICAM in New Haven, also looking mostly cloudy. As far as temperatures go, we're in the mid to upper 70s. Some places got very close to 80 today, which is warmer. It should be in the middle 70s, and dew point temperatures are in the 60s and low 70s right now. And if anything, that humidity is going to come up. So with the remnants of Florence, it's going to bring in all this tropical air where you can see dew points from Connecticut all the way into the mid-Atlantic states are in the 70s, and it's that high humidity that is going to fuel the heavy downpours for tomorrow. So a little bit of rain that's trying to make its way into Connecticut already, but you can still see the circulation with the remnants of Florence right there around Kentucky and West Virginia. There's a tornado watch in effect for portions of the mid-Atlantic states right now, and this is going to come over New England as we go through the day tomorrow. Where the heaviest rain occurs, it remains to be seen, but it could be right here in Connecticut. I'll show you more on that coming up. So Futurecast shows a couple of showers developing as we go through the evening, and then after midnight, some of the heavier showers move on in. So during the morning commute, be careful. There's going to be some very heavy tropical downpours in the state. That's true for lunchtime as well. And even as we go into the afternoon commute, some heavy downpours, maybe some lightning and thunder in the state right into 7 o'clock in the evening, and then everything should start to wind down by late tomorrow evening. As far as rainfall totals go, and again, it remains to be seen where the heaviest band will set up. But this version of Futurecast says that a 3 to 6 inch bullseye could be right over Connecticut. That would not be good. However, there is a chance that this could be across northern Massachusetts as well, as some models are indicating. So something we'll have to follow closely as we go through the day tomorrow. Lows tonight in the range of 65 to 72, and your highs tomorrow are probably going to stay in the 70s for most of the state due to the abundant cloud cover and the rain. Now, all this comes to an end tomorrow night. Wednesday looks better. Clouds in the morning give way to partial clearing, breezy, a high of 74. Thursday looks great, mostly sunny and 73 with a nice cool morning in there as well. We'll warm up briefly on Friday with temperatures rising into the 80s, but the first weekend of autumn, it begins Saturday evening, will be nice. Highs in the 70s and lows near 50, and Monday looks good too. For the shoreline tomorrow, heavy rain and a high of 78.